But listen to me. Honestly, I truly want you to be the mother of my child.
So you keep distance or come to our house?
But she's not your girlfriend.
Abe is mine and nothing will stop me.
Abe, Nenkany, man, take up here.